Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming devices and permissions. Open System Sound Settings and pick the exact microphone and speaker you will use. This prevents Webex auto-switching. Once done, disable other audio apps and Bluetooth pairs that compete. Next, launch Webex and choose Join with Computer Audio. Make sure the selected device matches the system choice. If prompted, grant microphone and camera permissions. These steps eliminate most device selection and permission errors before deeper troubleshooting. You now focus inside Webex. Go to Settings, then Audio, test the microphone and speaker levels and listen for playback. If audio fails, switch to phone audio temporarily to see if the issue is Webex only. That isolates the source. Once done, confirm the device name in Webex matches the system device. Mismatched names cause silent audio. Adjust input gain or unmute in Webex, and toggle noise suppression off briefly to check if it's trimming your voice. Finish by restarting applications, and if necessary the computer. This resets drivers and device locks. If problems persist, update your audio drivers or reinstall Webex to clear corrupted files. Make sure your headset firmware is current and try a different USB port or adapter. If audio is intermittent, switch networks or use a phone hotspot to check for packet loss. One key troubleshooting tip: run a quick call with another app to confirm whether the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.